Dear students of class 10th in subject Information Technology, this week I am going to explain creating or editing tables in Design View in software OpenOffice org base. In database table, you will create a database table using a design view. In previous lecture, I explained how to create a database table using a wizard. In design view, you have to create a table, then you will follow the following steps. In the database window, first click on the table tab like this. Then choose create table in design view option. Click on the option. Next, you will be taken to the table design window like this. This is called table design window. In the table design window, enter the field name and select the data type like this. For example, in the student table, select the roll number field and the field type is number and the field name is name, then the field type is text. And like this you can select the data type or field type in front of the field name. In the next column, you can describe the field. This field is optional. You can describe the data to be entered in the selected field name. In the field property option, in the lower section of this window, database design window, table design window, field property options are given. For example, entry required, default value and format example. You will specify the field properties. After setting the field properties, click file and go to the save option or press Ctrl S to save the database table. Now you have to specify a primary key. You should choose a field that will have a unique value for each record. For example, roll number or admission number in a student table may be created as a primary key. To set a primary key field, click in the row of the field, then right click on the leftmost button which is showing an arrow like this. That is called row selector button. Then select primary key option like this. This is the primary key option. Click here to set the roll number as a primary key. Now save the table. After saving or pressing OK button, new table will be created or added into the list of the tables in the database window. You can find it in the database window. Next option is modifying a table in design view. You can modify a table in design view. You can add fields, you can delete field, you can move the fields to the selected location, changing the field properties. For example, to modify a table in design view, select the table name from the table object of database window. For example, here I have selected the student table, then go to the student table and right click over there and choose edit option from the shortcut menu. The table structure will get open in the design view where you can make the desired changes in the table structure as explained in the coming lines. Now after selecting the edit, You can set the field properties, field types,